to prove to you guys today is that you can absolutely pack carry-on only for your cruise. Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I'm here today with another packing video for you. And today we're going to go ahead and talk about packing for a Caribbean cruise. Does this have to be for a cruise? No, you could also do it for an all-inclusive resort if you wanted to. If you guys are new here, I travel often and pack well and want to help you do the same. Not only do I do luggage and personal item reviews and reviews of travel essentials, but I do these packing videos where you guys write in, let me know what trip you want me to pack for, and I do my capsule wardrobe and pack everything in a carry-on to prove to you that it is possible to complete everything on your bucket list in a carry-on. I've been to 88 countries and all 7 continents in a carry-on bag. So in this video today, I am going to go through all of the clothing items that I am bringing as well as the accessories, and then I'm going to put those together and show off the capsule wardrobe and just how many outfits I can make. Then we're gonna pack it in some packing cubes and then pack all of that in our carry-on, also pack a personal item, and then we are done and you're ready to go on a fabulous cruise. Today's video is going to feature everything Monos. You guys know that Monos is one of my favorite luggage brands ever. I have reviewed all of their luggage, all of their bags, all of their everything, and I'm obsessed. I'm a Monos brand ambassador. I give you guys a discount. If you want anything Monos, you can use that code. It will be linked down below in the description box. I am going to show you Monos luggage, packing cubes, toiletries case, a Monos sling bag, and a Monos backpack, including their latest limited edition color, Sage Green. Isn't it cute? There are so many activities that you can do on a cruise besides going swimming and going to dinner. You can go work out, dance classes, gamble, you can do bingo, trivia, karaoke, sit and read, you can watch movies. I mean, there's so much stuff to do that you need to think about, let alone when you get off on all of the islands. What are you gonna do on those islands? Are you gonna go right to another boat and snorkel? Go walk around town? Go on a waterfall and a zip line excursion? What you like to do on a cruise ship or on the excursions really does matter when you're picking out what to pack. And I'm about to show you all of the clothes and accessories that I am packing, and I definitely have packed for everything. I'm prepared. And always, this is everything from my own wardrobe. Please take my capsule wardrobe as inspiration to make your own. Also, fun fact, I am plus size. Everything is a size 18 or a size 2X, and you will see when I pack that plus size people can do carry-on only also. If you guys want to see me unpack on a cruise and what I brought on my actual cruise, I do have that video. It's not necessarily a packing video, it's an unpacking video where I give you a room tour and show you all the stuff that I packed. All right, let's start by showing you guys all the clothes and accessories. We have so many different outfits here, up to 56. Honestly, but there are a couple of things that you might not want to use twice, and I'll talk about that in a second. Now, cruises always have a formal dining room. Not that you have to really dress formally, but they do have a dress code, and I've worn pretty much anything in there. You just really can't wear bathing suits or shorts. Just try to dress a little bit nicer. Not saying you have to wear a formal gown, some women do, but you can totally just wear a nice little sundress with sandals and be fine. So I have 2 dresses. One is a little bit more dressy, one is more of a sundress. Of course, it could potentially get chilly at night, so I did bring this nice little lightweight sweater. I have this little short sleeve, really lightweight top. Some people don't necessarily want their arms to show, so I did feature not only some tank tops, but some short sleeves as well. This is another short sleeve top, another short sleeve top here, one of the tank tops that I brought. This is a nice little bodysuit. This is a nice little crop top. And then this is where it's going to get interesting. So these are 2 tops that I like to kind of work out in, but these are also tops that I like to be casual, and I honestly have worn them being dressy as well. I am gonna pack these 2, and you can use them for excursions, you can use them for working out, you can use them for lounging around, whatever you want to do. Include these in the capsule wardrobe or don't, it's up to you. Now let's get into the bottoms. This is a nice little wide leg pair of pants, and you guys know there is always a pattern that I base my capsule wardrobe colors on, and this one was it. That is why I picked all of these. I also have two skirts. This is just a really fun boho skirt. And then this one is kind of more of a beige and white skirt. These can both be worn in the dining room or be worn casually. I do have one pair of denim shorts, but I'm also going to bring a little linen pair of shorts. These are the pair of shorts that I have packed for workouts, but if you don't want to work out, then you can totally use these and it'll match everything else in your capsule wardrobe. As for the stuff that you will swim in, I brought one little cover up. If you are in the middle of hanging out by the pool and you want to go into a dining room or run back to your room real quick, you really should do it covered up. And then I have two bottoms and two tops. Obviously, on a cruise, you're going to want to wear sandals. If you're going to work out, or maybe you're doing some sort of an excursion where you have some sort of hike or zip line, then you might want a pair of tennis shoes. And these ones I would wear on the plane just so that it takes up less space. And these I can work out in, whatever. And then I have one pair of sandals. I packed these ones because they are rubber and still really good for the pool, but because they have a little bit of a shimmer to them, they're totally acceptable in the dining room with your dressier clothes. And that's it for the capsule wardrobe. Now it's time for my favorite part of the video, the fashion show. So in this first compressible cube right here, we're gonna put some of our bulkier items. Honestly too, you could pack these not compressed and I could probably fit every single thing from our capsule wardrobe in one, but I really want to show you guys how I can compress these down. I will do a video of how I fold all of my different items, but to be honest, it really depends on the item, the size of your clothing, and the packing cube you are packing them in. It's really a hard video to make because there's so many variables. They do kind of stand up on their own, and I like that. Now we have this one that we are going to pack our tops in. So now it has come to the time where we pack everything in our carry-on. They do have two sized carry-ons, and this is the smaller one, and this is going to be the one that is better for international travel. It is limited edition. It is the color sage green, and it is so pretty. Now this does come in 8 different core colors and many limited edition colors that aren't always going to last long. So if you love the sage green, go ahead and grab it as soon as possible. Like I showed you in the packing portion of the video, we are using these Monos compressible cubes, but we're not gonna stop there. We have more Mono stuff to pack in here. This one I'm really excited about. This is the toiletry case, and this is the color ivory. And then we are going to pack the Monos sling. This is a really great thing to have on a cruise, whether you're just going to dinner and you just need a couple of little key items, or if you're getting off the boat on an excursion, you can wear it crossbody, or you can wear it like a waist bag. Their quality is top notch. And I just realized that this new sage green color really goes with our color scheme, doesn't it? All right, so let's start filling up this side. We are going to fill up the packing cubes. And then this is where we're going to put our Mono sling. And I'm gonna go ahead and kind of stick it right in the middle there. And then this is where you can compress. Now we're gonna move on to this side. This does have this zippered mesh compartment here. The only thing I have in it is a laundry bag, but of course you can pack stuff in there if you want to. And yes, the laundry bag does come with it, and it also comes with 2 shoe bag, and we are going to use the shoe bag to put our sandals in. So we're gonna go ahead and put that right up there. Now we do have our smaller compression cube, and this has underwear, bras, socks, and bathing suits, and a cover up, and a pair of pajamas. So we're gonna go ahead and put that at the bottom. So now we're gonna pack the toiletry case. On the outside here is a nice little pocket, and I have some little bug spray wipes, and I have some Band-Aids, and it does snap closed. Oh my gosh, I can fit so much stuff. I have 2 pairs of sunglasses, solid sunscreen, deodorant, and those go in these little pockets right here. And then I have a comb, I have makeup, I have my toothbrush with a little case on it, all sorts of stuff. And then there's a little zippered pocket here as well. Organization is key, especially in a toiletries bag. Makeup brushes, mascara, Q-tips, all sorts of stuff. This bag is like a Mary Poppins bag for toiletries. A lot of you guys always want to do a hanging toiletry case, but all of the cruise cabins really do have a lot of space for you to set this down and do your makeup or whatever skincare that you need to do. But also too, there's always a desk with a mirror, and so sometimes whoever I'm cruising with, they will take the bathroom mirror and I will take the desk mirror, and you can totally set up with this, and you don't have to have a hanging one. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. And then you'll see that I still have a lot of space right here. That is where I'm going to put my flat iron, because I do really like to get ready for dinner on cruises. And then I also have a little sun hat. And then one other thing that I wanna pack, you guys, is a little beach bag. This is one from Aloha, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it up really small. I do like to have an actual beach tote. And we've packed for a cruise in a carry-on. And now let's move on to our personal item. What kind of personal item are we gonna use? Let's use monos. You guys know the coolest thing about this backpack is that it has this quick snap feature where this comes off. Now you can either put stuff in here and pack it into the bag, or pull this down, lift it up, and put it right back on the backpack. So let's utilize this front pocket. I'm just going to go ahead and put my passport in there and my portable charger. And then we're gonna open this up, and in here, we're going to put a water bottle. I wanna stay hydrated, not only on the plane, but if you're laying out by the pool and it's a zillion degrees out, you're gonna want your drinks to stay cold. So I'm gonna put that right in this little pocket. I'm going to have a nice little beach read, whether you're reading about romantic stuff or whether you're reading about true crime, because that's what I read. Then we have an electronics case right there. We have our liquids, of course, and I still have all of this room. As for my passport, there is a little hidden spot on the back here. It snaps once you have closed it. Shove that in there. Very nice and convenient. And then of course there is a spot for a laptop. If you're not bringing a laptop on a cruise, maybe you're bringing an iPad, maybe you want it for the flight, there is a proper spot for that. Now our personal item has been packed. Don't forget, there's also obviously a trolley sleeve to be able to slip this over your luggage. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. I have been on so many Caribbean cruises. I have been on so many cruises everywhere, and I really hope that this was helpful, whether this is your 50th cruise or whether it is your first cruise. It is really, really possible to pack carry-on only, honestly, especially for a cruise. And I think it's really important to pack carry-on only for a cruise, because your room is super tiny and you have to share it with at least one other person. So get to your room, unpack, put all your stuff away, put your luggage under the bed because it will fit, and enjoy your time in the tropics. Please subscribe if you are not already by pressing that subscribe button down below. It would really help us out. And follow us on Instagram because I post a lot more travel and packing tips and tricks on there that I don't necessarily post on YouTube. Of course, if you want anything Monos, please use our code. It is down in the description and it'll get you a little bit of a discount. Whether you want the suitcase, the backpack, the duffel, the sling, the toiletries bag, the compression cubes, anything, I've got you covered. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.